How to fix Telegram downloading speed. So in this video, I'll show you step by step on how to fix Telegram download speed. So after you open up your phone like this, now go and open your Telegram app like this. After you open your Telegram app, now tap on this search and search for file to. As you can see now, go and search for this bot file to bot file to link. This one file to. So just go and search for this link file to links bot. So open the bot. After you open the bot, now go and start the bot. After you start the bot, just send a text like this now. Now go back. Go ahead now and search for the video you want to download or for the file that you want to download. For me now, I want to download a video from this channel, this one. So now tap on this share icon to share the video or the file to the Telegram bot. So in this session now, here is Telegram bot. Tap on this send button. Now I send the video to the Telegram bot. Now go back to the Telegram bot. So now here is the Telegram bot file to links. After you open the Telegram bot, now here is your video. So now you can tap on this download button. So from there, your download will be increased. That's it guys on how to fix Telegram downloading speed. Hope this video helps. Please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.